Savita Rohit. I've been associated with them for a very long time. In fact, it's these are family ties, and even in fact, my wife has a very long association with that family, and once I got married to her, my association with Savita Rohit grew, and it has been a fascinating journey for them. They have really worked very hard on it. I remember they started very differently. They didn't next the government thinking on the role of architects, how we go about designing the cities, planning the cities, and getting around with designing of major structures. I remember, to begin with, there was a स्टेशन के पास एक क्या जो पुलिस चौकी थी, जिसके सामने आपका एक कॉमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स बना था, रेलवे स्टेशन से थोड़ा सा पहले पड़ता है, आकाशदीप बनाया था, और एक बड़ा अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर था। आप लोगों ने बड़ी मेहनत से बनाया था। आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ देयर फर्स्ट वेंचर विद द गवर्नमेंट। उसके बाद उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे लखनऊ में लिए, प्राइवेट स्ट्रक्चर, प्राइवेट कंस्ट्रक्शन में। लेकिन बाद में जो है, जब आप लोग मेजर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स में आए, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस है, एयरपोर्ट्स है, रेलवे स्टेशन है, दैट इज व्हेन द रियल क्लास एंड वर्थ of this enterprise that we know as Village has come to our life. Both the young architects in the firm, Sumit and Namit, under the guidance of their mother Savita ji, have really blossomed into a very fine setup of architectural firm, and they have under their belt some very crown jewels, excellent, and the best thing is they are they're growing leaps and bounds. The projects are very fascinating and challenging. What I like about this the new role that they are playing in the infrastructure projects is, it changes the skyline of the city, the landscape of the city. Unfortunately, not long back, particularly when they started, about 50 years back, things were very different. Government designing was, you would have also been distracted by, but the best thing is they carried on even after Rohit left us. It was a very dark moment, and I thought that it would be a big challenge for Savita ji to continue in the footsteps of Rohit ji. But yes, they did, and the two sons really carried on the light so well, and now they have a mark for themselves and for the firm throughout the country, and I'm sure very soon they will be stepping outside the shores of the country and leaving a mark there also. I must also compliment the publishers for this excellent book. Particularly the presentation has come out so well. It makes a beautiful reading. The projects have been shown so meticulously. Descriptions are very good, but the designing of the book is so well done then one wants to go through it from end to end. And I must compliment the publishers for such an excellent work and showcasing one of our leading architects of the city, of course now in the country. And I wish Virale, led by Kavitaji and ably contributed by Sumit and Namit, and of course the entire team, they have been doing such excellent work. Compliments to you and all the best. Good wishes to you. Thank you.